have arrived on yet another on-time flight. Until next time, thank you once again for flying Ryanair, Europe's #1 airline for low fares, on-time flights and great care. We look forward to welcoming you on board again very soon.
German Ryanair said it welcome you to Madrid 15 minutes ahead of schedule with a local time of 9:05. Please remain seated with your seatbelt securely fastened until the aircraft has come to a complete stop and the fasten seatbelt sign has been switched off for you. Please exercise extreme caution while opening overhead lockers as items of your carry-on luggage may have become dislodged. For those of you who smoke, please refrain from doing so until reaching the designated smoking area outside the terminal building. From all of us on board, thank you and have a safe onward journey.